Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 3 from chapter 4 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a cleaner pushing a laundry cart. We know the mass of the cart, and she pushes in such a way that the net external force on the cart is 60 newtons. And we need to calculate the magnitude of the cart's acceleration. Okay, let's start with what we know. We know the mass of the cart is 4.50 kilograms. We know the net external force on the cart is 60.0 newtons. And now we need to find the acceleration of the cart. And we just need the magnitude of the acceleration. Okay, so we know that F net is mass times acceleration. And so divide both sides by mass, and we find the acceleration is F net divided by mass. And so our acceleration is going to be 60.0 newtons divided by 4.50 kilograms. Calculating gives 13.3 meters per second squared. And so the acceleration of the cart is 13.3 meters per second squared. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.